You know, this is the pictures of us hanging out. This is the campsite. This is what happened. And this is more of the same. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it cool? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog out here in the Catskills by fair exit of East Branch. We're here at the end of Route 30, or the beginning, depending which way you look at it. I just got a little bit of supplies. I'm going back to the camping club headquarters. Just had an amazing time camping with the bros. 2 nights. 2 nights with the bros. It was quite magical, actually. We had some good rides. It's really unfortunate. My buddy Moto and I, we bamboozled the highway. We sent it so fast. You're just gonna have to take our word for it, bro. But yeah, we had an awesome little run, and the video didn't work, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, we stayed 2 nights. We camped. My buddy riding bikes NYC and Moto Noir. Nobody's real name can be used. My bike has 21,058 miles, by the way. It's the last day of summer right now. Literally the last day of summer, September 22nd. And we camped for 2 days. It got as cold as 50, 48 maybe, 46 if you're crazy. We had some hot dogs, sausages, steaks, all sorts of little cookies and snacks and treats. Went to a diner, got burgers and whatnot, got sandwiches. Lots of fire, lots of jokes, lots of insults. You know how bros do. We're like, oh, you're so stupid. No, you're stupid. No, you're stupid. For like hours, dude. What's beautiful about camping is that we just spent 48 hours. I just spent over 48 hours, like 60 some hours on the campsite. It's insane. Like outdoors. I've been outdoors for freaking days now. It's amazing. I'm so happy. I'm such a lucky boy. I'm such a lucky boy that camping club headquarters exists and I can visit it. And yeah, so we all chilled, we all had fun, nice and easy, nice and light. Not too late. Stayed up till first night till about like 11:30, and the second night yesterday was I think I went to sleep at 12:40. I was the last one to go to sleep both nights, and it didn't get cold. Plenty of fire, plenty of firewood, plenty of food, plenty of beer, plenty of supplies all over. Just a pleasant. No rain, no drama. Just chilling. Just chilling. Look at this beauty. Beauty of Catskills. The leaves are really changing now. This is a proper situation. Hello. That Jeep better not take a left, or they're gonna get piss-assed. I'm harassing my neighbors with my awful speed. And yeah, and tomorrow morning, I'm so lucky, I get to ride to the city. And I'm gonna try to find a little bit of a different, I always do a little bit of a different variation. And this time I'm gonna do a little bit of a variation again. I don't think I'm gonna go the Pennsylvania route just because the speed limits are crazy stupid. It's like 40 miles per hour for what? We don't play that. Gorgeous wide open area. Oh, the air is so fresh. Oh man, yeah, camping is awesome. I can't believe this is the only time I've been camping and I didn't create a camping vlog for y'all. This is the debrief. This is all you get. There's nothing. Maybe I'll show like a photo montage throughout this vlog. I'll show you all the pictures. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe I'll throughout this vlog as I'm talking, I'm gonna show some things. That's what I should have done. We have a fire right here. You know, this is us cooking steak. This is us cooking sausage. You know, this is the pictures of us hanging out. This is the campsite. This is what happened. And this is more of the same. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it cool? Yes, it is cool. It's as cool as it looks. Like people who think like camping is pretty dope, but they're wondering like if they're gonna like it. And is it really that dope? The answer is yes. Camping is that dope. And yes, you are gonna like it. And yes, like, bro. That was it. A quick ton. 165-mile range. The bag's about to fall off. We're good. We made it once again. Now I'm about to hose down the car a little quick. Wash the car. I mean, like, what car? Wait, what? Huh? Is all of this fake? Is this all smoke and mirrors? I don't know. Everything is fake. Alright, boys and girls, love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.